Hello everybody, Chef Ryan here. Today we are going to talk about pizza and the proofing of our pizza dough. What's great about proofing is the process not only helps with the dough to rise, but it also develops the flavor and the texture in our items. The majority of our proofing cabinets in all of our schools come with a proofing setting, which allows us to proof multiple items at one time. As you see, we have our dinner rolls, our cinnamon rolls, and our pizza dough in our proofer. It's set at the proofing setting, and each recipe designates how long that item is going to proof. As you can see, look how our pizza dough has risen to be double the size. Look how fluffy and inviting for pizza sauce and cheese that looks like. Then we're going to two-top it, bake it, and this is what your finished product should look like. Notice the thickness of the crust. Notice the rise of the center of the pizza. We're going to cut these into our pieces, and we're going to separate it so you can see the inside of the crust. Like this. Pizza. I really want you to observe and look at the color of the crust. Look how it is golden brown. It is fluffy. It's airy. Once again, it has been a privilege and an honor to bring you the fruits of my labor. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I enjoyed bringing them to you.